Climate change is already affecting every region on Earth, and it's only getting worse, according to the world's largest ever report on climate change from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC. IPCC scientists looked at more than 14,000 studies. They conclude that Earth's climate is experiencing unprecedented changes. The report calls it unequivocal that human influence has warmed the atmosphere, ocean, and land.
Our planet already has a natural blanket of heat-trapping gases that keeps us at just the perfect temperature for life. But as we burn fossil fuels, they release even more heat-trapping gases, wrapping an extra blanket around the planet that it doesn't need. And just like you would if someone snuck into your room and put an extra blanket on you, you wake up sweating saying, I didn't need this blanket. In the same way, that's why this planet is running a fever.
The IPCC report says human-caused climate change has already heated the planet by 2 degrees Fahrenheit since the 19th century. There is a 50% likelihood of warming 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit in the next decade. If additional warming occurs, the report warns already extreme weather events could get worse. Heat waves. Heat waves are already happening 5 times more often and will hit 14 times as often if warming reaches 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Floods and drought. An intensifying water cycle will bring more extreme rainfall and more severe drought. Sea level rise. Coastal flooding events that previously occurred once in 100 years could happen every year by the end of this century. Greenhouse gas emissions are the primary driver of global warming. The IPCC report urges rapid, large-scale emissions reduction to keep the planet from getting even hotter.
Some amount of warming is inevitable because of the carbon emissions we've already produced over the last few decades and centuries. But we know that the greater part of the change is still avoidable if we act now. And that's what the report makes crystal clear. Our choices matter. We will see with our own eyes the impacts of our decisions. And so that's why it's so important to heed the warning that this report offers and to act now before it's too late.